How to prepare a project. Open E2 Studio IDE and create new project. Enter the project name and select the board name to use. If the board information file does not exist, click the link to download the file. When the target board is selected, the target device is also automatically selected. Check the Create Hardware Debug configuration and select E2 Lite, RX. Open Smart Configurator. Set the clock according to the board. Click the Clock tab, and configure the clock settings. Set the heap size for GUI drawing tool. Click the Components tab, select RBSP, and set the heap size. Select the target project in preparation of the workflow. Confirm the board settings and select GUI drawing tool.